In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use your iPhone like a professional to capture audio during a shoot, and then I'm gonna teach you how to sync it up in post. Let's get into it. Just imagine you just arrived into a shoot. You just want to pull out your camera, start shooting bangers for your channel, but then actually you realized that you forgot to pack your mics. Yes, you left it in the shelf. Don't worry, brother, it happens to all of us. And actually, you have a professional mic with you 24/7. It is your iPhone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Marc, a content creator based in Copenhagen who has been shooting professionally for the last 6 years. In this channel, we talk about cameras, how to get better at filmmaking, traveling, and much more. If this is something you like, please consider subscribing because I want to reach 5,000 subs before the end of 2026. This is our year. Welcome to the family. Okay, super easy. How does it work? Well, first we're gonna use our main camera. Second, we're gonna use our iPhone and we're gonna record a separate video file. And then in post, we're gonna merge them together. It is called syncing the audio with the video. Stay tuned because at the end of this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to sync it in post. Let's follow these easy steps. Step number 1, pull out the phone and put it on airplane mode. We don't want any disturbances, so no vibrations, no notifications, no nothing, pure silent. And then open the voice memo app. Step number 2, now we need to learn the placement. Put the phone in front of your face, but not directly in front of your mouth. Because whenever you talk, sometimes you're basically spitting air. For example, with the letters P or B, you're spitting a lot of air and it sounds quite bad. So we're gonna place our phone like this, not directly into our mouth, but underneath. Step number 3, we're gonna hit record in our camera and in our voice memo app. So we're gonna be recording in both at the same time. Remember that you're gonna need the audio from the camera. Whenever we sync the audio, we will need the camera one to sync it with the phone one, okay? Keep that in mind. Step number 4, do a clap. Step number 5, record all the video in one take. Because if not, it's going to be a nightmare in post-production. You'll see why afterwards. Now I'm using my phone. Fun fact, since we're not using any receivers or any transmitters, and there's not actually a connection between the phone and the camera, I can go as far back as I want. The signal is not gonna be cut. I'm gonna teleport back then and you're gonna see. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah, the audio is still on. It's gonna sound perfect even though I am so far back. How does it sound, by the way? All right, perfect. Our shoot is done. It's time to sync it up in post, so let's jump into the computer. Well, the software of choice is DaVinci Resolve, and if you don't have any software to edit, I would recommend you to go with this one because it has a free version that is super capable. It is the perfect one to start learning on. I have basically imported the clip, the video clip, and the audio clip, and also I have created a timeline where I have just dropped both of them. This is the clip with the audio from the camera, and this is the audio from the iPhone. So basically we have to just stack them on top. I'm gonna show you 2 methods that you can use to sync this audio. First method, we're gonna select both the audio and also the video clip. We're gonna right click. We're gonna go to auto align clips. We switch time code for waveform and we hit sync, and that's done. You can see the claps are in the same spot. Now we play it.
Okay, esto es una prueba para que veáis cómo estoy usando mi teléfono.
Now we just disable the audio from the camera so we can just hear the iPhone one.
Teléfono para poder hablarle a la cámara directamente.
It sounds perfect. If you can see your
I
mouth.
have no idea. Okay, this is a tryout so you can see.
It is synced. So perfect. The second method is the manual mode. So basically we just have to grab this one, which is the iPhone clip. We do a super zoom, and basically this is our clap in the camera and this is our clap in the iPhone. We just need to make this one smaller and we sync the clap with the clap. You see, I'm clapping, you can see it with my hands right there. If I disable the camera one and we play.
Okay, esto es una prueba para que veáis cómo estoy usando mi teléfono.
It is perfect.
Hablarle a la cámara directamente.
It is already synced again. So super easy ways to sync up the video with the iPhone audio. So before finishing the video, I want to tackle some common mistakes that people do whenever they're trying to do this workflow and are super important so you can maximize the output of this method. The first one, please don't disable the audio from the camera because you will need it to sync it in post. Second, don't skip the clap. It is very important because it makes the whole process much easier. don't forget to turn off the notifications. Put the airplane mode, put silent mode, whatever. But don't get any disturbance in the audio, because whenever the phone vibrates, whenever the phone beeps, it sucks and it ruins the audio. So keep that in mind. Last but not least, don't put the phone in front of your mouth or too far away, because the audio is gonna suffer. There you go, guys. That was it for today. This one was super easy, but I am sure it's gonna help somebody out there. If you found this one helpful, put it in the comments. I wanna know if I saved your shoot or not. I actually wanna know, did you ever forget your mics before an important event? Because I've done it. Just put it in the comments. I'm always reading. I want to know your stories. I'm actually doing full-time YouTube from now on, so you can expect a video a week in this channel. I have said no to all my clients and I am doing full-time YouTube, which is crazy. I love the idea. I always wanted to do it, and now is the time. 2026 is our year. Check this next video, because the YouTube algorithm thinks that it's gonna help you. So see you on the next one. Peace.